daw.
Sinabi mo rin sa amin, pinag-enroll mo ako sa school. Uy, talaga rin. Swimming lesson tayo. Swimming lesson tayo. Isa sinagaling yung ginawa sa akin ng bata.
Thank you very much.
Kasi merong time ng drama, palihirap na kami.
Basta 12:21 TV. Ito yung biryani. Biryani guys. Kaya tayo. Oras na. Late na. Lord ng late ng meal. Muulan dito. Late na kami. Yung mata ko. Dosi, saan ka ngayon? Busy tayo kasi nag-uulan dito. Ito yung chicken biryani. Chicken. Kain tayo. Thank you very much. Tambay lang. May sauce pa yan. Pang biryani. Dalawa. Ito. Hot ito. Busog. Hello, Jobit Vlogs. We'll visit you later, Jobit Vlogs. Thank you very much for coming. Let's eat. Tapos na to. Just eating minute. We're number 2, Jobit Vlogs. Thank you. Sibuyas. Dosi 21 TV, Jobit Plans, just visit your channel. Hello to Jobit Plans at to Dosi TV. Sis, salamat. Thank you very much for supporting the Filipino TV, Filipino Life Stories. Umabot na po tayo dun sa Hello, Ma'am Joy Sabino. Thank you very much for coming. And to Jobit Vlogs, maraming salamat sa Diyos sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much. Let's eat our dinner. Mag-dinner natin ngayong lang oras kasi umuulan dito ngayon. Malay biryani na pero ang dapol ilalang. Kumantala mo naman lago pa naman. Ay, bags na ako. Late dinner kasi late na matapos ang trabaho natin sa araw na to. Jovit Vlogs, bisitahin ko yung channel mo kung meron na channel ka. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Biryani meal lang po dito. Beef tsaka baboy. Ay, no pork. Chicken and beef only. It's biryani meal.
Ayaw mo naman. Ayun yung lola. Ay, lola na. Bigyan na natin kay lola. Ay, kay lola na. Ito, lola. Ay, nalang kayo.
Yan pa o yung isa. Meat for meat. Meat for meat ba? O uploading. Ay. Kumain na po lahat. Jovit Vlogs, Joy Sabino, say hi to Dosi 21 TV. Say hi. Thank you. Time is it now? Anong oras na ba? 8:05. Sa gabi lang tayo available. Make up natural to. Wala. Sa labit ko, nakalimutan ko. MHGH 2002. Do you know where Iran is? Iran. What do you know where Iran? The Middle East. You check your Google map. That's Iran and Iraq. Why are you asking where is Iran is? Are you going to Iran for work? The Middle East? Iranian, yes. This is biryani. It's biryani. Biryani. Biryani rice. Oh, it's yes, we have. Later. Vegetable soup, yes. We love the meat. Tumitang tumikit na sa may ilaramay po dyan.
Herbs.
The herbs and may Iranian foods. Pati may masarap yung foods. Pakistani man. May masarap. Biryani ito may masarap. May ataso masarap. It's Iranian foods. Wah. Mas masarap. Have you ever eaten Iranian foods? Yes, of course, we have. We have a restaurant here that is we Filipinos love to eat. Indian food, all kinds of foods. It's so delicious. Well, yeah. We don't have soup. Ito may tatalugtuman na may brother! Baisod ko may tuman na may nyay. May minum. Parang ko dyan minum. Kaya lang pamahal ko may menu labat. Menu. May menu. Wait. The menu. These are favorites. Catholic. Hungry Habibi. Hungry Habibi. Pita pa rin. This is what we eat. Chicken biryani. Pita bread. Yeah. You love your food. What? Say taco. Yeah, it's taco. It's taco bread. It's fine. The chicken biryani. Sandri Habibi. It's pita bread. Pita bread. Put curry. We love Indian food. I have a friend who is Indian. I'm a classmate. We love your food. Merch. It's on chicken and beef egg. Chicken and beef only. Chicken and beef. Habibi. Thank you very much. Yeah. You see? Her face. The face. The way you speak. Rice and chicken. Raymond Dibuno, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much. That's it. Papalitan ko, we have Visha. Oh my. Wala, papasok ulitin. Now we have stable. The motor. There's a smoking there. You see the smoking there? You see? Oh. The owner here is a Filipino. Filipino is the owner. Jose Garja. Hi, good evening. Thank you very much for coming. Maraming salamat. Josie. Raymond, thank you very much for coming. Our dinner is late. This is one of the famous restaurant in Lingayen, here in Lingayen. It's a famous restaurant. Pero the authentic, tingnan mo yung kawayan, no? May kawayan. See that's bamboo. It's a bamboo. Bamboo tree. It's a Filipino, one of the Filipino displays. Yeah. No, thank you very much. Even the plate. I've almost finished. We're already full. Magano mahal ko ta itur pura mga dyan. Konti. The owner of this restaurant is a Filipino. Filipino, di ba, Saints? Honor. No, Filipino ang honor, di ba? Oh. Sa Filipina, say hi. Sa Filipina. She's a Filipina. Oh. Say hello. That's their kitchen. And there is a dito, ito yung extension nila na business. There's a business there, yan. Yung business nila yan. And then, they have their, ito yung mga businesses nila. Yeah. Akafar. You see? Filipino, he's a friend of all Iranian. We have Pakistani. You see the display? You see? We love Middle East national. We have a bar here. You see the bar? Oh. They're very friendly people. They are afraid of us. It's a business here. Their extension for the meeting. It's a meeting extension. It's a price of Coca-Cola. They have ice cream also. Ice cream. You see the ice cream? Oh. Nagtutur ako, nagpapatur. Yan. Tapos, ayan, oh, you see? Their business is a tourist spot here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. It's alongside of TPWH, the controversial. Their business here is, wait, I just Hungry Habibi. It's a famous Hungry Habibi. They are my friends. The owner is a friend. They adopted a culture of Middle East. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Josie. Hello, sister. God bless sa iyo at maraming salamat sa iyo, sis. Dalawin kita later. Medyo na late po tayo. Nag-uulan dito. Dito yung sa Lingayen. Ito yung hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito eh. Bamboo ito eh. Pero ano to, fire hazardous to pagka yun nga lang. Ito na yung sa part ng Lingayen yan. Ma'am Josie Guardia, thank you very much for coming. You are number 1. Yes, Lingayen to sis, Lingayen. At saka kay MHGH 2002. See you later. Oh, bamboo nga. Bamboo ito. Magyakapan na po kayo lahat dyan sa baba. Tapos, maraming salamat sa iyo, Raymond Dibuno. Where are you from? From Pangasinan, Raymond. Maraming salamat sa Diyos at sa iyo sa pag-support ng ating live at para po malaman po natin na tayo po ay we're not a robot. We're a human. Maganda po yung arrangement ng tables nila dahil simple lamang ang tables nila. May subdivide pa. Lala ma. Lala. Thank you very much for visiting us. Saka si MGH number 1. Thank you very much. And then Joy Sabino, maraming salamat. Joe Witt Vlogs, thank you very much for coming. Please support our channel, Filipino TV. Marami pa po tayong pupuntahan at pagbabahagi po tayo ng about sa ating mga simbahan, sa government, sa mga issues natin. At we will pray for our peaceful country. Of course, tuloy-tuloy lamang. We just continue our life. We are po tayo, sister. Tsaka si Dosi, alam mo ba na naging busy po tayo dahil sa usapin sa flood control. Ma'am Josie, Garja, thank you very much. Thank you. Po tayo, medyo yung usapin natin sa flood control ay talagang dapat lang na managot sila. Dito nga medyo kulang po yung ilaw po dito, pero dito pinupuntahan po natin. Pinupuntahan po natin dito dahil sa uuwi na po tayo. Thank you very much. Yes, we'll pray for our country. We'll pray for our country, pero dapat managot ang managot. Dahil tignan mo naman yung paghihirap natin. Na tignan mo naghihirap po tayo, pero sila, sige, bulsa ng bulsa. Yung ilaw ko dito wala konti lang yung ilaw. Yan Department of Public Works and Highway. Yan lang yung Department of Public Works of Highway. Andyan lang Tapos yung opisina dito opisina yan. PSS LA. Yan, yung mga naglo-loan, ganun. Yung mga naglo-loan dyan. Ngayon, aalis na po tayo. Uwi na po tayo. nagabihan din po tayo. Maraming salamat at bibisitahin ko po kayo mamaya. Although yung oras po natin ngayon around 9 o'clock. I have my limits, kaya lang wala. The ending. Oh. Josie. Wala ko mag-e-ending na. Meet and greet po tayo ngayon. Dito po yung isa sa restaurant. Oh. Yan. Dito, El Jardin. Oh, yan, El Jardin. Lumawak na yung restaurant dito. Yan po restaurant tayo. Ilukas ko yung may. Magana. Yan. Maraming salamat sa pag-attend. Sinamahan niyo po ako sa live na ito at magkumustahan po tayo dahil sa hindi po nakapagtuloy ng live palagi dahil syempre may trabaho din po tayo. Magbabahagi po tayo. We will share our place, the Pangasinan. I-share po natin yan tsaka sa lahat ng ating gobyerno dito. Yung usapin po natin bilang sa ating gobyerno, we will pray na masiro corruption naman dahil hirap na po ang Pilipino. Mahirap po magtrabaho sa araw-araw na ating gawain. Lagi po tayong nagtatrabaho. Dumadami po yung mga OFW din natin. Tapos, kinukurap lang yung, they're just corrupting our tax. And they have a lavish lifestyle. Ang Diyos ang bahala sa lahat. Siya ang bahala sa lahat. Ma'am Josie, 21 TV, maraming salamat sa iyo, sis. Ikaw pa yung number 1 na dumating. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Jovic Vlogs. Thank you very much for coming. Joy Sabino, thank you very much. Please visit our channel so I can visit you too. Maraming salamat at titingnan ko po yung kung ano po yung pwede nating maipamahagi. We will share our blessings at we will pray for the peace and order to other fellow countries na maging po tayo. We just pray for our safety. Dito ito po yung sa may Lingayen Beach yan, sa Lingayen Beach na yan. It's madilim, walang ilaw yan. Tapos malayo na yung dagat. Dati tanaw mo yung dagat, ngayon wala na yung dagat. Hindi mo na makita syempre, pero dumadami pa rin ang mga turista dito. I'm hoping, I'm praying na makadalaw po kayo dito. May mga pa rin, pero it's may mga dumadalaw pa rin syempre. Pangasinan. It's flooded due to rain. Low pressure area din dito sa atin sa Pangasinan. Yan. Narinig yun. Ano kaya yun? Ano ginawa nila? Yan, hindi pa natin napapasyalan. Pero, hindi pa ata open yan Pag papasyal po tayo live. Maganda rito kasi pag sa gabi din, pupunta-punta ka dito, safe naman po dito sa atin sa Pangasinan. Okay naman po siya, pero syempre para makatipid po yung gobyerno natin dito, they use solar lights. But kung kulang yung araw, it's a lack of araw, syempre hindi ano yung solar lights natin. I have cold allergies because of rains, change of weather. Yan, sa oras na to, it's 9 o'clock, pero we have a lots of people and they still having a business. Nagbebenta pa sila. Ito, Ma'am Josie, Sister Josie. Thank you very much, MHGH. Please visit our channel so I can visit you. Thank you very much. Tignan mo naman yung hanap buhay ng mga ating mga, nagbebenta pa sila. Yan. Kahit gabi na, nagbebenta pa rin. Ganyan kahirap po ang ating trabaho. Kaya yung mga ating mga leader naman, yung mga government agencies, syempre manawagan po tayo sa ating presidente na hintuan na po niya ang mga anomalya na yan. Si Ma'am Josie, Guardia, thank you very much. Sanjay official. Thank you very much, Sanjay. I left my eyeglass, my reading glass, my eyeglass I left. Wow, super. Thank you very much. This is our place sa Lingayen, Pangasinan, the capital of Pangasinan, Lingayen. Nag-uulan kasi dito, kaya ganito, yan ang school. One of the hotel. It's a tourist spot. If you visit there, yan. We cannot walk because it's raining outside and it's already 9 o'clock here. 9 o'clock na po dito, aking mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po. Meet and greet po tayo. Ang update po natin, syempre, kung ano po yung napupuntahan po natin, i-share po natin, ibabahagi po natin. At ang ating priority, syempre, ang ating kapwa Pilipino, ang ating kabuhayan dito, at ang mga ganap dito sa Pangasinan. Kahit na umabot pa tayo sa ibang lugar, kailangan po tayo mag-share. Thank you very much, Sanjay, for coming. Thank you very much. Wish and pray that you can visit the Philippines. Filipino people is friendly. And some other countries also. We just hope and pray that our economy here is okay with zero corruption, because our issues now is corruption, the anomaly. Naman makonsensya naman na yung mga pero syempre hindi natutulog ang Diyos, alam niya lahat. Ang lahat po, whatever you sow, you will reap. That's a school, the government school. This is a Pangasinan State University. It's a big sa Pangasinan State University. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for supporting. This is our second channel, Filipino TV. It's all about government, our people, the churches, the places of Pangasinan, all places that we can reach. And our priority also is syempre yung ating pamumuhay bilang Pilipino. Babagi po natin lahat. Thank you very much for coming, and thank you very much for supporting our channel. And I have my plans. I have my plans. Of course, my plans is to share our blessings to the community people, of my fellow people, Filipino because they are suffering for a small business enterprises, and yet they have no although we have a law that we have a bill of rights, pero hindi sapat. Diba, sister ko Josie? Maraming salamat, ingat, ang good night. Uwi na ako, God bless sis. Ay, exit na ako. Maraming salamat sa pag-visit. Thank you very much, Sanjay, and to Sigurd. God bless everyone. And to MGH 2002. Maraming salamat. Joy Sabino, thank you very much. To Jovet Vlogs, thank you very much. And to number 1 natin, si Dosi TV, maraming salamat sa iyo. And it's heading our way home. Thank you very much for coming. And yung Filipino Life Stories is it's already for gift, although it's monetized, but it's through gift to support our giving a support to the content creator. Thank you very much. I will check the si Josie. Thank you very much. Yan. Maraming salamat. Pagka may time, pwede kong pagsaybayin sana yung pero hindi pwede. Syempre, isa-isa lang. Thank you very much for subscribing our channel. I will check your channel. Supportan po natin yung mga valuable content na ating mga channel. Maraming salamat. Yes, yes, I am a Christian, of course. Thank you very much. This is the Plaza of Lingayen. Yeah. It's a Plaza of Lingayen. Oh, may basketball. Oh, you see? There's have you looked that? Oh, tignan mo. Hindi lang ako makalabas because I have my colds. I have a colds allergies. And pag may makita tayo na nagbebenta, kung may makita na mga street vendor, syempre naawa ka rin na na hindi, ang suporta ko lang syempre muna ngayon this is sa Lingayen. There, I already shared this sa Lingayen. Yan. And this is the municipality of Lingayen. There. We have a lots of business establishment. We have a Kentucky. We have a SM here also. SM, yan. SM. Oh. Watson. Tapos, meron pa yung Inasal. Tuloy-tuloy lamang yung ating buhay. At ipag-pray po natin. Tignan nyo, gabi na. Pero, marami pa pong nagtatrabaho, nagbebenta, nagtatrabaho para mabuhay po sa araw-araw. Pag syempre magre-react po tayo sa mga usapin sa ating gobyerno. Karapatan po natin mag-react sa ating gobyerno. At kalampagin, ang dapat kalampagin, makialam tayo bilang Pilipino. We have a Shakey's here, establishment, yan. It's a modern na rin po dito, but our business here, the priority, fishing, tapos papasyal din po tayo pag may time po tayo kung nandiyan ka pa, Dosi TV, papasyal po tayo. I will tour you sa Filipino Life Stories yun, sa Filipino TV, more on establishment and our Catholic churches event. we have an event. Sanjay, thank you very much for coming